Yes, you can create faceless YouTube videos in 5 minutes and earn money for fun. From script writing to voiceover. From adding background music, creative animated effects to creating attractive thumbnails, you can do all this in just 5 minutes with the help of these 2 AI websites. First, identify a popular niche that you want your channel to show content of. For example, Bight site is a popular faceless YouTube channel. With 44 million subscribers, they show videos of history and knowledge with engaging voiceovers, creative effects, and trust me, their thumbnails are so hard to resist. Now, once after identifying a niche, you need to create an engaging script for that. Open Chat GPT. In case you don't know how to open Chat GPT account, complete beginner guide video is in description, feel free to watch. Now in the search bar, ask GPT to create a script for you. For example, create a 2 minutes YouTube viral script for how to lose belly fat. You can even ask how your script should be like. The script should be engaging and humorous. Immediately you will get the script in 10 seconds, which for you would have taken 3 hours to write. Then copy the script and let's move on to our next AI website, that is pictory.ai. Paste your text here, it will create a storyboard for you, and start giving voiceover and engaging background music of your choice using this website. You can even add external videos if you want, and once after completing, preview the video one final time.
First things first, let's talk about the elephant in the room, diet.
And export the video. Congratulations, you have created your first YouTube video successfully. Now you have an important job of creating attractive thumbnails and coming up with good title. If you ace this, there is no one stopping your video to become viral. Research, see some of the similar channels' thumbnails and edit your thumbnail and upload the video. Keep consistency and creativity, in no time creators you will be earning money for fun. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.